Click on the link below to get price. The PowerSmart 2500 watt portable inverter generator with quiet technology presents itself as a practical solution for those in need of portable power. Whether for recreational use during camping trips, as a backup during power outages, or even for small job sites, this generator aims to deliver reliable electricity without excessive noise or bulk. At first glance, the PowerSmart generator boasts a sleek design that emphasizes portability. Weighing approximately 50 pounds, it is relatively lightweight compared to many traditional generators, making it feasible for users to transport it to various locations. The compact size is complemented by an ergonomic handle, enabling easy lifting and maneuverability. Turning to the features, this inverter generator is equipped with a 2500 watt output, which allows it to power a range of devices. The generator's quiet technology is a standout element, claiming to operate at a noise level of just 58 decibels. This is roughly equivalent to the sound of a normal conversation, making it suitable for use in residential neighborhoods or serene outdoor environments where noise might be a concern. Additionally, the generator includes a fuel-efficient engine that provides an extended runtime, allowing users to operate it for several hours on a single tank of gasoline. The built-in eco mode adjusts the engine speed based on the load, optimizing fuel consumption while ensuring that power needs are met. For ease of use, the PowerSmart generator features a simple control panel that includes two AC outlets, a USB port, and a 12V DC outlet. This variety of power outputs allows users to charge smartphones, run small appliances, or even power tools, depending on their specific requirements. Safety features such as low oil shutdown add another layer of reassurance, as the generator will automatically turn off if oil levels are critically low, protecting the engine from damage. In terms of practical usage, users have noted that the PowerSmart generator is straightforward to start, with a recoil start mechanism that is easy to operate. Setting up the generator is relatively hassle-free, making it accessible for users who may not have extensive experience with generators. In closing, the PowerSmart 2500 watt portable inverter generator with quiet technology offers a well-rounded package for those seeking a portable power source. With its emphasis on quiet operation, efficiency, and user-friendly features, it stands as a thoughtful option for a variety of power needs, whether they arise at home, on the road, or in nature.